In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to an email in your Gmail. So basically what you want to do is go ahead to whatever browser you use and go ahead and log into your email. So I am just in my regular inbox here. I don't really use it all that much, but say you have an email that you want to reply to. So I actually sent an email to myself, so I'm just going to open this up. So there's a lot of stuff that comes on the screen and you just want to know how to quickly reply back to an email. It's very simple. So anytime you open up an email, I will open this up, you'll automatically have options here that say reply and forward. So you just want to hit reply, and I'm just going to reply. This is my reply because I'm just emailing myself. It doesn't really matter. And when you're done with that, all you really need to do is hit send. You have options to have attachments, to put stickers on, emojis, all kinds of different things if you really want to get specific on what you want to do with your email. But to have a simple reply, this is my reply, and I hit send, and your email is sent. You can always go and check this in your sent folder, and as you see, it was just sent because it says 5:54. That was just done. And that's it. Real easy to do. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.